really good with a lot of different meals. One muffin will have 16 milligrams of sodium. We have to think about the number of sodium that you have to stay under in a day, because sodium is not like a lot of things. Because you can't say, I didn't use all my sodium yesterday, so I'll just use it today. Your heart and kidneys, whatever problem you've got, not go like that. We have to make sure every day that we stay under that number. Pain has a 0 sodium baking powder. You can order this from Amazon or from Healthy Heart Market. Might want to do that. You sure can't use the other. While you're at Healthy Heart Market, check out the other stuff. They've also got baking soda and 0, some barbecue sauces and stuff that are quite good. I have my dry ingredients here. I'm going to add the wet stuff to it. We have to think a little bit at this point, because if you have the sodium to spend, it's going to add 15 milligrams to each muffin. It goes from 16 up to 31. 31 is really not that bad for a nice bread, but that depends on what your sodium is. I'm going to put the cheese in. I weigh it to make sure that I've got the right amount, because they'll say 1/4 cup, and we don't know if it's pounded in, if it's heaping. Every time I do it, it comes out the same way. They say 1/4 cup. I measure it. It comes up to a level 1/3 cup. I use butter flavor pan because I like the butter flavor. My oven is set at 400 degrees. These will take about 20 minutes to cook. I'm just using the hamper recipe today because I have some. And it's just Johnny and I for dinner. You can freeze them, but it's hard to get all the air out of there. I've kept them really good for 3 or 4 weeks. I don't really want to use them after that because they tend to get freezer burned. These guys are going to go in my oven, and I put the cheese in. Each one's going to be 31 milligrams. 20 minutes in my oven, and they're perfect. A little bit of can't believe it's not butter spray or unsalted butter, and it's a great addition to any meal.